Greetings and welcome everybody on the Master Workshop on WAAS. We are all Satoshi, BDCC, the Bitcoin Code, Capital 3.0, and everything that we have in our entire ecosystem. This is weekend trainings schedule. And please make sure that you invite all your teammates. You participate actively in all this learnings that we impart on the weekends because learning is earning. So let us begin this workshop. Today we are going to cover Capital 3.0 and especially we have some rare insights on Dodo that can help you understand how exactly that index trading platform has been designed. So let us begin this. Before we begin, disclaimers are very important and crucial part of the presentation so that we are all aligned on the same understanding level. Let me quickly walk you through the general and legal disclaimers.
General disclaimer. Welcome to the We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organisation. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general, not personalised advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide informations and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone. So we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously. Legal disclaimer. You are viewing a We're All Satoshi official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 2.0. All products, services, their component parts and operating methods and systems either provided by or created by We're All Satoshi belong solely to We Are All Satoshi. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing or reselling any We Are All Satoshi product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming or social media sharing of We're All Satoshi presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may lead to legal consequences.
All right, so thank you for understanding the disclaimers. Let us begin Capital 3.0. As the title suggests, it's an early access to unicorn projects, and it assures a minimum value of 5x returns on your capital. Capital 3.0, it's like a project which has been specially designed for this crypto bull run that's going to happen. That's already happening, right? So anybody who buys a package, we have these exclusive packages available in We Are All Satoshi. The minimum package value is $100, and depending on your budget, your pocket size, your financial situation, you can buy any package, and each package gives you or assures you a minimum return on capital that is 5x of your package value. So if you're buying a package of 100, the minimum assured return is 5x, that is 500. Now we have designed a compounding cycle through which this 5x is achieved. How and what it is exactly that we are going to cover in this master training. So anybody who buys any package, we know that it's an affiliate product. So 65% goes to the affiliate commissions, and what is left, that is 35%. It gets to 2% daily compounding, and in a way, it is this vested capital 35%. It compounds until 5x is achieved of the principal package value. So this is how the entire compounding thing has been designed, and this is how we do Capital 3.0. Now, before we begin, this presentation is just for the understanding. It helps you or it provides you an overview of the Capital 3.0 as a package. Now, in this presentation, in this workshop, we have considered $1,000 package just to exemplify the package. We have Solana as the potential unicorn project. And we have some projection estimation. These are all for your references only. Actual profits, transactions may incur additional fees. So let us begin this. Let us understand Capital 3.0. Now, these packages are exclusively available in We Are All Satoshi, and the minimum assured value that we have mentioned is 5x on your capital. Let's take an example of $1,000 package. It can potentially return you 5x, that is $5,000. 65% gets distributed as affiliate incentives. 35% is what is left with the funds, and this is called vested capital. This vested capital, when it's compounded at 2% daily, it gives you potential returns in token 3.0. So $350 compounded at 2% daily gives you 5,000 worth value, dollar worth value, but it is not in coin, it is not in any crypto assets. It is specially in token 3.0. So, this token 3.0 is a stable coin which we have designed specially for this project, and it has $1 value. That means any token you have, it's gonna have a dollar value with which you will be able to buy project tokens. This token 3.0 can only be accumulated through VR or Satoshi and through 2% daily compounding, and it cannot be bought on any other exchanges. It cannot be sold on any exchanges. It cannot even be transferred to any account. This is token 3.0, which gives you exclusive privilege to participate in potential unicorn projects. So, project tokens are the coins of potential unicorn projects that are available at the time of allocation. And with this token 3.0, you can buy the project tokens. We have taken an example of Solana over here. Solana was launched back in 2018, and it had the at the time of allocation, it was available at 20 cents and it went all time high, like $260. So it was almost a transaction of 800 times. So at the time of allocation, a deal is provided, and often the project tokens are offered at a very low value. So with token 3.0, anything you have, you will be able to buy project tokens. We are taking again the example of Solana. So Solana back in 2018, it was offered in the seed rounds at 20 cents and it went to all-time high to $60. This is a brief case study of Solana. Like you can see over here, it's what was offered in different seed funding rounds at different values, and see these values are very, very nominal. So with Capital 3.0, we all will be able to take part in this type of seed fund rounds, along with the funds, the top tier funds, the early investors. So this is what Capital 3.0 can help you achieve in terms of a project. Now let us understand the compounding. So vested capital, that is 35% of your package value, it gets locked and it is subjected to 2% daily compounding. You receive token 3.0, and this tokens are received in a special wallet that you can find on VRL Satoshi's back office. Like this is the dashboard of VRL Satoshi, and over here you can see we have a special wallet of Capital 3.0 token in which all your tokens get accumulated. Now, whatever tokens you see over here are practically your compounding rewards. So your vested capital always remain locked, and whatever compounding rewards you generate, they are accumulated over here, and these are practically available to be allocated in different types of potential unicorn projects. All right, I hope this is clear to you all. So at the time of allocation, what happens is whatever tokens you have, you will be either able to use the entire value or a partial value, or as suggested by the project, depending on what type of vesting period we have, what type of allocation we have, and depending on that, we are able to use this token 3.0. So again, considering the example of Solana, like let's say Solana is the next unicorn project, and at the time of allocation, it is offered to us at $0.20. So if we are able to utilize 100% of the tokens we are having, like 385 tokens over here. So if we are participating in this allocation and we buy Solana at 20 cents each Solana, so we will have in all 1925 Solana coin with us. So what we have done over here is we have swapped, or we have utilized token 3.0 to buy Solana, which is like a project, potential unicorn project, and we have in a way consumed our token 3.0. So this way we will keep on accumulating this token 3.0, and anything that we accumulate over here, we will be able to invest into potential different allocations that we have across the period. So now, at the time of project listing, Now, as we have already participated in the allocation and the project goes public, that means its token generation event, it happens. So at that time, the project tokens will be available in all the exchanges. Considering the example of Solana, when it went public, it was offered at at 90 cents. We have considered over here $1 just for the understanding. So if you are having any number of project tokens, that project tokens can be exchanged on the exchanges and can be cashed out in dollar value. So now on the very first day of the token generation event, when it happens, you will be able to cash out any project tokens that you have. So over here, the responsibility of Capital 3.0 is over. So Capital 3.0 helped you accumulate Token 3.0. From Token 3.0, you bought the project tokens, and this project tokens, when they went public, you are able to cash them out. This is the simple process. So just imagine how much value can we have from this project. Like anybody who is investing like $100. So this $100 is put to compounding. I mean 35%. Right? This is until the 5x is achieved. So that is $500 in token 3.0, right? So with every token 3.0, with every token 3.0, you will be able to buy project tokens, right? And this project tokens are potentially tokens of the unicorn projects, which have a minimum tendency of going 5x to 50x to 100x. We never know that. Solana, like it was offered at $0.20, but at the time of listing, it was at $0.90 and it went all time high to $260. Even right now, it's trending at $180. So you can understand what potential these unicorn projects have. So if the any project token any project it goes to 5x, let's say just consider 5x. So 500 into 5, that is 2500. So in a way, you are cashing out 25 times. This is just an example what potential unicorn projects can benefit you. So over here, like on the very first day, if you want to cash out only a limited number of tokens, you can do that. Then you can wait for the project token to appreciate, maybe 2x to 5x. So that way you will make more from the token 3.0 to project tokens. So this is how token 3.0 can give you so much of value. I hope that you understood this. From 1x to 5x in token 3.0, and from token 3.0 to maybe this can be 5x to 50x to 10x to, and this entirely depends on when you want to cash them out. All right. Now, if you decide to hold the project tokens, it's entirely up to you. It's your decision. The coin may appreciate, the coin may depreciate, and Capital 3.0 has got nothing to do with that. Then, if the project is public, now it's in the tokens are in your hand. You can do whatever you want with them. Let us have a quick case studies, and it will help you understand how a passive investor or how a affiliate marketer can make the most of this. So for passive investor, again, we are taking an example of $1,000. The minimum ROC is 5x, that is $5,000 worth value. In the first allocation, you cashed out like 385 token 3.0. Now there are going to be so many allocations. We already have one allocation in the month of November and the second one in the end of December, then the third one in the end of January, and February also we have one allocation. So this allocation are keep gonna be happening. So, and your compounding will still continue until you claim entire 5x tokens, right? So $1,000 value gives you 5,000 token 3.0. And with 5,000 token 3.0, you have like $5,000 worth project tokens, and all the different allocation that you will have, succeedingly, and you will be able to consume all your project tokens. And if you hold or retain this project tokens, the project, if potentially goes to 5x to 10x to 100x, it can give you more returns. Now the second case study is for affiliates. So same principle will work over here. $1,000 gives you $5,000 worth token 3.0. So let us say like you accumulate 1500 token 3.0 through compounding, and you also built your team, your structure, you referred people under you. That way you made some referral commissions as well. So combining both these values, the token 3.0 what you have, and the referral rewards you have, total you will be able to claim 5x. So you can consume your 5x faster. You can achieve 5x faster compared to institutional investors. So $1,000, $5,000 value, you start compounding, you receive token 3.0, you also receive affiliate rewards. And the best part is this affiliate rewards can be withdrawn in USDT TRC20. And this is, of course, in token 3.0. So that way, you have additional advantage of cashing out early compared to institutional investors. What you can do with this, either you can put it back into the system, you can increase your package value, that way you increase your ROI, and that way you claim more tokens and you make more commissions. So this is how the entire cycle can be designed. It can help you claim your 5x faster. Affiliates do that. Big leaders, they are doing that. So now coming to the DeFi part, that is decentralized autonomous organization, the DAO we have for Capital 3.0. First of all, understand why this was necessary. We have on our back office token 3.0, right? But this is a Web2 project. This is not the DeFi, right? It is controlled by the management, right? So whatever tokens we are having over here, these are not available on any exchanges. These are in a way not crypto, right? It is not a crypto. So in order to convert this value into a crypto value, we have designed a DAO for Capital 3.0. So whatever tokens you have over here in 3.0, they will be converted to the governance token of our Capital 3.0 DAO. Now let us understand first what is DAO and how does it function. So DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization, and one main the major reason for doing this is to bring transparency to the project. Now whenever anything is in DeFi, it's absolutely decentralized. So that gives transparency as well as credibility to the project. So DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, it's similar to corporate organization. There, the only difference between these two is it's a decentralized consensus. In corporate organization, we have a hierarchy, like we have the founder, managing director, then we board of directors, then we have CEOs, then the team leaders, managers, and all those type of hierarchy. The information flows from top to bottom. But in DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, all members have equal rights, and they also have a right to vote. Voting practically decides what can be collectively brought to a consensus. So all DAO members have equal decision-making rights, and they vote through governance tokens to put their decisions. So every DAO has a governance token. So over here also we have our own governance tokens, and these governance tokens for Capital 3.0 is C30 DAO tokens. So whatever token 3.0 you have on your WAAS back office, this will be converted to other governance tokens. So that's 330 DAO tokens. All right. So that way, this value is now enters into a DeFi token. So C30 DAO token is a governance token of Capital 3.0 DAO. It is provided to you twice in the entire system. For the first time, it will be minted just to be utilized as a vote for allocation. This only prepares you for the allocation, and it is minted just first time whenever you buy a package of Capital 3.0. Second time, whatever tokens you have over here in the Capital 3.0 token wallet, equal number of capital or C30 DAO tokens will be minted. So two times the minting of C30 DAO token happens. The DAO is the app is already live. So this is the official website of Capital 3.0, 3p0.capital. You can have a view of the, you can go through the white paper over here. You will understand how this entire DAO has been designed or structured. And through this, you can open the app. Now, everybody, whenever they buy a package on We Are All Satoshi of Capital 3.0, they are requested to submit a Solana Phantom wallet. The reason behind it is we have designed this DAO on Solana blockchain. And the best wallet for Solana is Phantom wallet. So everybody must create a Phantom wallet, and practically whenever you buy a Capital 3.0 package, it asks you for your Phantom Solana address, wallet address. So you must create a Phantom wallet, and you have this Solana receiving address over here. So click on this and go to receive. So this is your address. You must submit it on your WAAS, and once you submit the wallet address, you can find it over here which wallet you have submitted. So anybody who buys a package, they submit their wallet address, and for the first time, C30 DAO token is minted on that address which has been submitted. So whenever you buy a package, this is a very continuous process, and for the first time, everybody receives a single C30 DAO token. So with this, you can cast your vote, and that way you submit your readiness to be able to participate in allocations. So voting is very, very important. Without voting, you won't be able to you won't be able to utilize your Capital 3.0 tokens. So everybody, please cast your vote. So if you have purchased a Capital 3.0 wallet, and just go to your Phantom wallet and see if you have C30 DAO token minted over here. It will look something like this on your Solana wallet. So if you have received a Capital 3.0 DAO token, then you must go to our dApp, open 3p0.capital, open dApp, then from the dApp, connect your wallet, and you will have an option to vote over here. You can see you will have this token reflecting over here, and with this you can cast your vote. So voting is very, very important because it assures the team that you are ready for allocation. And whenever you utilize C30 DAO tokens, it will get burned. It's a burning mechanism, and it will be converted to STC30 DAO token. So ST stands for staked C30 DAO token, and it is issued every time when you use your C30 DAO tokens, and it is like a one-to-one confirmation against C30 DAO tokens. So like right now in our wallet, you can see we have ST C30 DAO token, right? This. So we have already casted our vote. So whenever you will cast a vote, you will receive this ST Capital 3.0 DAO token, and this confirms your voting. So right now, when you go to the home page of our Capital 3.0 website, you can see this is the total value log. This is the TVL. That means this many people have already this means that people have already casted their vote, and through the voting, the total token 3.0 available for allocation is this TVL value. And as 2% compounding will happen, this is continuously gonna grow. So over here you can see, this 2,947 C30 DAO token have already been minted, but this many are still left to be utilized for voting. So many people have not yet voted. So please, we humbly request you, check your Solana Phantom wallet, have some gas fees in Solana you will require in Phantom wallet. Even a $5 or $10 worth Solana gas fees will be sufficient. And go to the website, go to the DApp, connect your wallet, and please vote. Voting is very, very important. Still, 2,945 people have not yet voted. So this is all about Capital 3.0. All you need to do is right now at least vote. After that, allocations will be happening. Like in the last week of November, we have one allocation ready, and it's going to be a very, very exclusive allocation. So wait until it will be announced. But please, until then, cast your vote and refer as many people as you can, because Capital 3.0 is one of the best product that you can have in the ROI model. And with the bull run right in front of us, everybody is going to make lots of money with this Capital 3.0. So we are now going to be switching this workshop to the Dodo's formal introduction, and we will help you understand Dodo as a product. So first of all, Dodo is also going to be an exclusive product in We Are All Satoshi, and very soon you are going to see Dodo in the subscription section over here as a product. So what is Dodo? So Dodo is practically a trading platform. It's absolutely a trading platform, but it is a very uniquely designed product because it gives you so much critical analysis, and it helps you understand, it helps you to ease your trading experience. So as we go to coin market cap, and we go to the Bitcoin is already bullish right now. And if you check the community sentiments, that is also 78% bullish. Now when you explore when you explore coin market cap, you have so many coins, you have so many tokens. So from this massive ocean of cryptos and tokens, how will you identify a good potential coin? How will you make the most of your portfolio? How you can identify good products, good projects and coins which can help you potentially take the advantage of the bull run. Like you can see right now trending on DeFi, Palito coin, it went almost 2184%. Like DNUT, it went almost 3634%. So how will you do that? Now it requires expertise, it requires your research, but over here when you come to Dodo, everything is very easy for us, because Dodo is practically a index trading platform. What is index? Index is like a portfolio, like it's a basket of tokens which has already been pre-designed in a way. So each index will have their own underlying assets. Now this has been designed by the technical team. They have done some research, and based on the research, they have so far provided us with 12 different indexes, but they are going to include more. And we have also an option to create our own index. So this gives you a good benefit of making the most of the market. So each index will have some underlying assets. All you need to do is buy an index instead of buying individual coins. As you buy an index, your value gets distributed, and all the underlying assets are bought in equal percentage when you buy a index. So there are different categories of index. So like these are real world assets. RWA stands for real world assets. Then this is the classic. Classic is in, it contains BTC, so Ethereum and Solana. And we have AAM, then we have infrastructure based assets. So these are all infrastructure based assets. And these are layer 2 solution assets. So ARB, W Ethereum, Matic, Matis, and then restaking. Then the indexes are also classified in terms of dynamic and static. So dynamic indexes are those indexes in which the underlying assets are very volatile in nature. So that it can instantly go up, and it can instantly go down as well. They appreciate and depreciate at a very volatile manner. So dynamic and static, you can choose. And if you want to retain a long-term position, then statics are the best. But if you want to play around, if you want to make the most of this micro traction that you have, so dynamics are best. So each index has different category, different assets, and you can buy. You can buy based on the growth it is suggested over here, and depending on which asset you choose, your money will be invested into this index. So this is like a very good platform. It gives you a very exclusive, detailed analysis of the entire market. Practically there's 12 indexes and there are going to be more indexes, so they will have almost everything from the trending crypto market. So this is absolutely a trading platform. It's not a ROI based model, so you will have to spend some time on research, you will have to spend some time on buying and selling. So all the crypto or the trading enthusiasts, they will find it Dodo very beautiful and very rewarding. It is Ethereum based platform. So of course Ethereum is going to be you need to have Ethereum for the right now for the gas fees, and with whatever funds you are having, you can buy indexes. You can buy a single index, you can buy multiple index, and this is a very unique platform. So I'll just share you an overview of the entire application. And for the first time, this index trading is available in the DeFi section. So Dodo, when you open the dApp, you can connect your wallet. We recommend Coinbase wallet because this is a good wallet for Dodo. So you can put some Ethereum over there for gas fees right now if you want to buy an index, and also you must have some USDT ERC20 with which you will be able to buy the index. So if you have Ethereum in gas fees, if you have the USDT ready, then you can go to the dApp. Our dApp is D0D0.app. So you can go to product, you can connect Dodo to your wallet, and you are ready to buy an index. So over here on the product, we have all the indexes listed over here, and each index will give you also a detailed the percentage of how much it went up and down in the 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month. Everything is available over here. And then you have the overall TVL, that is the total value logged. So almost $136,000 have already been put into this platform. And over here on the dashboard, you can see your own indexes, what have you purchased and how it's growing. So it gives you a very upper hand to have a critical analysis of the indexes that you have bought. So this is very good platform. And when we go back to the products, you have on the upper section, you have this top earners. So you can see how much people the top earners are making. So right now the market is little bullish, so it's still growing. So it's 2.97%. And then you have all the indexes. So in the first section of the indexes, you have the best rewarding indexes. So right now the classic is trending, it is giving the maximum profit. And when you explore any indexes, there are the time charts over here. Then you can see the individual assets as well, how each asset is performing. Then you can have a comprehensive based this percentage, how much it is growing, 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, percentage, all time, everything. It is a very detailed. The tech team has done a brilliant job. And over here you have an buy option to buy. The minimum value, that is $100 with which you can buy an index. So you must have that many dollars in USDT TRC20. So if you are buying the index directly from the platform, 1% is deposit fees. And when this Dodo will be available in VR also Satoshi, at that time, you won't be in you won't have this 1% deposit fees. And when you sell index, there is also $0.5% selling fees as well. So when you buy an index, we have some interesting feature on Dodo, like you can have your own stop loss. So by default, it's 0. That means even if your index zeroes down, it won't sell. But if you a certain stop loss, let's say if you are choosing 40%, so that means when your index is falling in value and it reaches to 40% of your the index value, it will automatically get sold off. Then we also have a expiry time, like 1 day. If you want to index to be sold automatically on the next day, so we have a time frame of 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and by default it's unlimited. Unless and until you sell it, it won't get automatically sold. So you can choose your dollar value, how much you want to. The minimum is 100, and you can choose maybe 200 or 500, whatever. You can choose your stop loss at what value you want the index to be automatically sold off. Then the expiry date you can choose, or you can keep unlimited and you can buy. So once you buy the index, it is like a 15 minutes time frame. Every index, it is bought and sold in a time frame of 15 minutes as of now, but this time frame can be increased or decreased depending on how the community is participating. So everything is beautiful on Dodo, and right now people have already started making money on Dodo, and this is going to be a very good tool, especially when the crypto bull run is already here. So, like we have everything now in our WAAS ecosystem. So we have Bitcoin code, the NFT, and the nodes packages also right now are at $27,000, but the nodes value are definitely going to increase. And then we have our 9pay. 9pay is almost ready. You might have a good news in the next week, and that Chavez will update. Then we have Tech Capital. Without even any referral, people are investing in Tech Capital as well. Then we have Capital 3.0 over here, and very soon Dodo will also be available. Even right now, Dodo is a live product. MVP already has been launched, and everything is growing big, and it's a great opportunity, a great platform in terms of affiliate marketing model. So that is it. That is it from the presentation side and the workshop on We Are All Satoshi. I hope you have a basic idea of Capital 3.0 and now Dodo. One more interesting feature that has recently been added to Dodo is create an index. So over here, you can create your own index. So you can submit an application to the tech team and they will create your own index. This is the index name, description. You can choose the tokens that are available on the Dodo platform. You can also choose tokens which are not available on Dodo platform, and you can submit your email, you can submit your request from here, and the tech team will have an index for you. The advantage of creating your index is if any other community member, they are buying your index, whatever the platform fees they incur, you are going to be receiving 15% of that. So that's an advantage. And even if you don't want to take that advantage, if you want to have a portfolio of your own, you want to watch, you want to observe, like you like some coins, you want to create your own index so that your analysis is easy and convenient, so you can do that. So this is all from the presentation side. Thank you so much for joining on this call, and learning is earning. Don't forget that. Please share this video. It's already available on YouTube, and please make sure that maximum of your team members, they attend this training sessions. So thank you everybody, and we will see you soon on the next master training.
Completely awesome. I know that was quick. There was a lot of information there, but concentrated on two projects, the Capital 3.0 and the Dodo. This is excellent, excellent training. So thank you all for being here and taking in this training. Excellent. As Trashit said, this video is available on the YouTube, on the official channel. So please go there and look at it again. Look at it again, because there's a lot of information. We will see you next time. And we have presentation on Monday. So make sure to invite somebody and introduce them to this opportunity. Sharing is caring, and that person will probably be very, very grateful that you have at least let them know about this opportunity. So thank you all again for being here. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.